May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in. Take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Simran, how are you?
I am fine, sir. And you?
Oh, I too. Let's begin today's class.
Okay, sir. I am ready.
Look at the screen. You have 10 ODIA sentences are given. Read them sincerely and try to translate into English.
Yes, sir. Let me read.
Go on.
Sir, the first sentence will be, how's it going? Am I right, sir?
Of course, you are right. Now, Simran, translate the second one.
Okay, sir. It will be, what is for dinner?
Excellent. Well done. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Let me know the next sentence.
The next sentence will be, what is happening this weekend?
Oh, marvelous. You deserve excellency. Now proceed to next sentence.
Thank you very much, sir. The next sentence will be, do you have any plan for today?
You are right. Thanks a lot. Keep doing so.
Okay, sir. Now I would like to translate the next sentence.
Okay, go on.
I think it will be, are you busy, or are you free to chat?
Superb. You are great. Now try the next sentence.
Thank you, sir. The next sentence will be, where are my keys?
Yes, what will be the next sentence?
It seems to be difficult for me. Sir, please do it for me.
Simran, it is not so difficult. You may say, you are joking? That means, are you joking?
Thank you, sir. I will keep it up henceforward.
Okay, what will be the next sentence?
This sentence is also difficult for me. Would you like to help me, sir?
You should say, have you got much going on these days?
Okay, sir. Is it, how's your workday looking?
Absolutely correct. Thanks again.
Thank you, sir.